So you asked how to make changes to the website. Yeah, so it's pretty easy. What you do is you find the page you want to make changes to, and then you go to that page. So if you want to make change to the home page, what you do is you go to the home page, you press pages in the back end, and then you press home page and you press edit, just like that. See, edit. Once you press edit, the next thing to do is basically put your mouse over this and then press how you want to make the changes. So in this case, we want to do a front end. So click on this one here. Once you click on that, it's going to load the front end. So this page is going to start loading, so that way you can start make changes to it. So let me show you what I mean by that. Now, as you can see, when I put my mouse over the text, I can make changes to it. So let's say I want to change this text. I put my mouse, and you're always going to press this circle, your star right here. See the circle one? You press it one time, and now you can change this. I can say, now we serve, I can pick Pokeball in Northampton, build your own Pokeball, healthy, fun, delicious, done, deliciously done. Actually, hold on, deliciously done, like that. See, deliciously done. Or choose from our signature flavor. So that's how I change that. I can also change these stuff too. Just put your mouse over it, and in the circle part, that's how you change it. So let's say you want to change this text here. Put your mouse over it, and then what you do next, you just put your mouse here, and then you just change the text. So you can say customer experience, like that. See, and then press this, and now I change that. If you want to change the image, put your mouse over the image. Once you put your mouse over the image, look for this icon here. See it right there? Push this, and now you can change the image. Just press this again, and you can change the image. So I can say, you know what, I want this image or this image. You just choose that image,